Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you are really doing fantastic with almighty grace of Allah. Okay, I am here for a local river. Okay, our local river. Too many water are come down. You can see. Wait, আপনাদের ভালো করে একটু দেখাচ্ছি. Here is the water and you are really fantastic, amazing, really amazing. This area called Shaguni Bridge. Okay, that's situated at Pirganj or Bochaganj, our Dinaspur and Thakurgaon middle point here. You can see and whole area are really beautiful, amazing. I'm here for my work, but still I see this area and more than people are come here for visiting, and also today was a Victorical Day, and that's why they are free and that's why they are visited this area. Also you can see the whole tree are more area. Yeah, so if you want to like this, please visit there. If you are in Shankol, Thakurgaon and other area, মানে আপনি যদি এই এলাকার ভিতরে হয়ে থাকেন তো এখানে একবার ঘুরে যাবেন, খুবই ভালো লাগবে। আসলে এত সুন্দর একটা এরিয়া, এত ভালো লাগার মতো একটা জায়গা, না আসলে বুঝবেন না। দিনের বেলা আসলে প্রচুর থাকে বলে আপনার রোদ থাকে বা এরকম অবস্থায় আপনার গোসল করে এখানে মানুষ এসে, ঠিক আছে? তো আসলে অনেক ভালো লাগার মতো একটা জায়গা। So thank you for watching this video. This is not for learning English. Actually I am making this video only for this area I showing you, and you can see this. So thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.